What is up, everyone? Welcome to How to Draw Hair in a Bun. There are basically 3 steps that we can break this down into. So the first step is the head shape, and this is the most important step. To be able to draw this hairstyle at multiple angles, you also need to learn how to draw the head at multiple angles. So this is a great opportunity to learn how to draw stuff in 3D space. I have a free worksheet and tutorial with a YouTube video included that you can check out on the site. The link will be in the description. It's very important that you understand how to draw the head shape first before you move forwards, because if you don't know how to draw the head shape, it will be very challenging to draw the hair on properly. So the hair goes on top of the head, so the head comes first. So that's step number 1. For step number 2, draw the basic shapes of the hair. So first we start with the cap of the hair, so basically the roots of the hair. Make sure not to draw it too flat with the head. So this is a mistake that a lot of beginners make. They draw the hair way too flat. So you want to make sure that you give it some volume, and we're just drawing in this basic shape that represents this part of the hair. So we're basically dropping in guidelines at this point. Once you're done that, then you can add in the basic form of the bun. So you can just draw in a circle where the back of the head is. Make sure to follow the center line of the head for the placement of the buns. This is where it's important to understand how to draw the head. You need to follow the center line of the head to the back side to draw the bun in the right placement. So understanding how to draw the head is the most important, so that you can get these 2 steps down very easily, right? So learn the head first, understand where the center line would go in 3D space, and then draw in the back of the hair. If the head is facing perfectly forward, the tail goes in the middle, but as the head turns, the placement is based on the center line of the head. So this is what I'm saying. Understand how to draw the head first. Once we have these guidelines in place, now we can draw in the specific lines of the hair. So this second example will have these specific lines. So the stuff before this was just the guidelines. Now we're drawing in the specific lines. So make sure to follow the form of where the hair would be flowing. So since the bun of the hair is tied back, those lines will flow from the front to the back. So they'll curve backwards. And then the bun of the hair, you can draw that however you like, based on what kind of shape you want the hair to take. And those are basically the 3 steps in drawing hair in a bun. To help you practice these steps, I have a free worksheet on the site that you can check out, and a tutorial, so make sure to check that out. Use the free worksheet to help you practice, because it's a great way to get hands-on practice and actually improve. That's it for this tutorial. Drawing hair in a bun isn't particularly hard to do once you get the practice, and using the worksheet is a great way to actually get hands-on practice. So make sure to actually try it. And that's that for this. Thanks so much for checking this out. If this was of value to you, feel free to subscribe and like, and also check out this site. Make sure you sign up for the mailing list while you're there, because it's the best way for us to stay in touch. And I'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye.